This is Samra Hotel. Samra Hotel is a black. It looks like this at night. Oh, sorry. Great Wat Kazira. At night, it seems like this. This was salmon will come back now. Yeah. We're walking across Kazira. Look at what looks like the city at night. As we are going to say bye tomorrow, Bredua, we're gonna head over to Addis Abeba tomorrow, and you know, we're having these outings for our travel. Look how beautiful is today. Hotel here. አሁን ነገ በራይድ ነው የምንሄደው። We're at the station. Back to Addis. No. Anybody? We're heading. This is our Bible. Look at that. It's motherfucker boy. ከፊት ለፊት ነው። I think we're gonna. Huh? So we are already done. We pass, you know, checking stuff, something. We took something, but thanks to God, we are capable of passing everything. This brother is still in frustration, and I don't know. Oh yeah, we came back today, and you know, life is very hard. Whatever it is, we're trying our best. Don't give your hand. Pick up yourself. Struggle, and that's the way how you can be a winner. You know. Yeah. Oh, this is where we're going to. Gary. Oh, look at the babu. Look at the train on me.
ዝምብለሽ ነው ወንበር የምትቀመጪው? ነው ነበር አለ ቁጭ በሉ። እኔ እጠብቃለሁ ነኝ። ወንበር ዝም ብለሽ ነው የምትቀመጪው? ቁጭ በይ በቁጥር ነበር። እዩና ነይ በዚህ እኔ እጠብቃለሁ ነኝ። እሺ ነይ ቁጭ። እሺ በዚህ
Saha, please. Yeah. Hello everybody. Still traveling our train. Look at that. Look at the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen. It's okay. Come on. What's that you want to say? How you feeling, bro?
I'm afraid to speak in front.
You're afraid to speak in front of the camera. Speak.
It makes me nervous.
Huh?
It makes me nervous.
Why? Tell me. Tell me the reason why.
I don't know.
Eternal. Alright. Alright. This brother always saying he feel, got nervous when he's speaking in front of the camera. I don't know his problem. It's not good. Sit down with us. We're traveling till we arrived at this county and drive nice. Stay with us. Like and subscribe the channel. Yes. Heading up inside. Inside. Look at that. What is that? Yeah. What do you mean different paths? That means
We are about to separate.
why? How? Why? How? When?
Just that hereafter. So onward.
Okay. Heading to Addis, almost we're around Nazareth, Adama. And then we'll get Bishop to Order Brazil station. Finally, we'll arrive at this, where the last journey of this train will terminate. Oh, look at this, The geographical view of this environment is very beautiful, extremely very beautiful. Look how beautiful it is. Look at the tracks over there. Parallelly there is a land road where trucks used to guard the houses here. So, if you plan to go to Redwa from Addis, you can use three means of one transportation. One, airplane, because Redwa has air station. The other one, car. And the final, this one, what we are using right now, which is train transportation for passengers, is available. It takes like 10 to 11 hours to arrive from Redwa to Addis Abeba, or from Addis Abeba to Redwa if there is any obstacle in between. The train is not traveling at its maximum speed. This is because on the line, if cattle, goats, or any animals of what the farmer tackle, as it will be result danger or accident, the train is restricted to travel at small, moderately speed, and that's why it takes this much long hour. Earlier time when the train begins after the completions of what this newly constructed train lane, it takes about 6 hours to arrive from Addis to Redwa. But now it's a long day travel. That's one, weak side of what this train when you use it to travel. The other thing is very good compared to car. It's nice. I love it. And this is the only way actually for Ethiopia that links this landlocked country to Port Djibouti. The port that Ethiopia uses basically to import and export different goods. Even the fuel are transported through this train there. There are trains that are used for boats, not boats, only for human passengers, and for commodities, goods like fuel, something like that. Trucks are also there. And a lot of containers at a time could be transported from Port Djibouti to Addis Abeba. And along the ways of this railway, there are a lot of satellite cities recently being established, because the line just creates a lot of opportunities for those people who are living around the railways of this train. And new satellite cities are being emerged, and they're gonna grow like Tredwa. When you talk about the history of Tredwa, it was established, and the origins of Tredwa and the foundation of Tredwa town is directly related to the construction of this railway, which is extended from Addis Ababa to Djibouti in order to connect and link up Ethiopia with a foreign country. And that's the main gate and outlets of what Ethiopia to the other world. And that's the main gateway for Ethiopia to import all the goods that Ethiopia needs from the other country like China, Europe, any other country. So hopefully there will be a newly emerging cities around these railways of this to Djibouti. A chance to grow like Tredwa. Tredwa has become a very good city, and it grows at a very fast rate, like boom city, you know. You say? What? Irfukan? Oh. Is it Somali language? Come on, hey. Just tell me. Alright, dear. How's travel? How's the journey? Hey. Come on. Oh, yeah. She's a passenger with us. She's speaking Somali language. I don't know what she speaks. I can't understand because I don't know what language she's speaking, but I guess she speaks Somali, regional state in Ethiopia and eastern parts of Ethiopia. Somali regional state. So yeah, basically most people from Somali region and Afar, some parts of Afar are touched by this railway, and people from Harare and Redwa, and those people who live beside this railway, they use this railway or train as their means of transportation. It's very good, yeah. Actually, this railway is empowered by electricity. It's an electrifying railway. The train uses an electric power to empower its travel, you know. So look at the station here. Electrical power station is here. Oh look, the surroundings farming land is so flat and nice, and a lot of tomatoes are being grown right, you know, very small. And this particular names of what this surrounding is called Walenchiti. This is Walenchiti, very close to Nazareth, Adama. Wow. I don't know if you can see, farmer is there plowing. This is Adama station for this train.
I'm no good at making small talk, but do you mind if I sit down? Indiana was a long shot, and I could use another round. I don't mean to be too bold. No, it's not at all like me. But when you're making your way home, would you like some company? 'Cause oh, I'm tired of sleeping on my own, and oh, I've such a long way to go. And you remind me of somebody I know. Can I stay with you a while? Whiskey eyelids weigh me down some. When a smoke-filled talk comes too close, and it's these moments where my mind